co-founded an organisation which is now very active, called the Immigration Law Practitioners Association, and another organisation where I brought in my friends from Europe, called the European Immigration Lawyers Group, so that we could cover immigration and help immigration practitioners both in the UK and help immigration clients from all parts of Europe, because the European Immigration Lawyers Group represented all countries of the European Union at that time. So I've been pretty busy in the immigration world, and now I'm sort of fairly active with an organisation called the International Association of Migration and Refugee Judges, which I joined many years ago, but I now have more time to participate in conferences, seminars and other meetings dealing with, for example, and discussing the present refugee crisis in Europe and in the Middle East, and seeing whether there are recommendations we can make to resolve those huge issues. And at the same time, I'm a consultant to OTS solicitors, but also to other firms of solicitors purely on immigration matters. So I began my association with OTS because Ossian and Tenny Shahian, who worked with me when I was a senior partner of Gulbenkian Antonian, approached me and said they wanted to set up a specialist immigration practice and would I help. So I said, yes, of course, I'd be delighted to do so. And I advised and guided them through the initial processes. When the firm was established about 4 years ago, they asked me whether I would like to be their senior consultant solicitor. I like the word senior, and which I readily agreed to do, and that's what I'm doing now. But I'm also doing some consultancy work with others, as well as some consultancy work for the British government. I was asked by the immigration minister a few years ago, many years ago, Damien Green, to be on one of his consultants to advise on immigration, and I was happy to do what I could in that capacity. And I'm still occasionally asked on an ad hoc basis by the government through the immigration minister to advise or give my views on certain aspects of immigration, and through what's called the Migration Advisory Committee, which is somewhat in the public eye at the moment because he produced a report yesterday about what should happen after Brexit. So there's still plenty of things to keep me out of mischief.